southeast of Bacolod, standing firm is our alma mater. Every step of the way we are taking, every moment of our lives we're grateful here. For our future we set our smart goals, well-defined, time-bound, measurable. We're godly and humane, green thumb and flag waving, inspiration from her will remain. Every champion she holds remarkable, excellence we gain so successful. Take a single step for 1,000 miles, once complete then we rejoice with precious smiles. Just like eagles that fly in the blue skies, we will spread our wings to soar high, with loving arms of God, divine guidance above, motivation from teachers we love. FGMIS, where minds ignite in fuel, knowledge flows, it's a never-ending duel. Every lesson we honor each rule, in her halls of learning masterful. Traces of time with fun and joy will linger, memories of classmates will stay forever. Hail to thee, Father Gratian Moray, AFSC Integrated School, FG Mori Integrated School, FG Mori Integrated School.